So I'm gonna be putting on the Honda badges for my car. As you can see, these are some, this says right here, it says genuine parts Honda Motor Company. Obviously these are some fake Honda emblems from eBay. They're not the real ones from Honda, but I'm gonna put these on my car anyway. Yeah, there's a bigger one and a small one. I'm guessing the bigger one goes in the front. And yeah, and I know this is my car. Show my car. This is a Honda Civic 2019 LX. It's not a Type R. I understand this doesn't make my car a Type R. And for those of you that are gonna be hating, you search for this video anyway. All right. So let's start with the back. So I'm gonna open this up real quick. It's heavier than I thought it was. Okay. Yep, this is definitely fake. So what you're supposed to do, what I've seen online, is like a card of some sort. I'm just gonna use this card. Just take these off. So yeah, I got it off. Yeah, so I'm just gonna clean this real quick. Smaller one, right? Goes in the back just like that. So there's two holes. Yeah. Just take this off, and you get your two pins. Ignore my dog. And it's gonna fit in like that. Just like this. Press on it hard so it doesn't fall off. So there you go. This is the back one. That's clean. I get that these are fake, so they might fade in a few months, but I'll just get real ones by then. The front one's gonna break much harder than the back. Yeah. Remember, whoever is judging me for putting these red badges on, just remember you searched for the video, or you clicked on it. You're just giving me more views. I understand it doesn't make my car faster, but I think it looks cool. I might have to break this one off. Damn. Oh well. Look, the pin is still on there. Damn. Actually, scratch that. I just pushed. Makes my car cleaner. So long. Okay, so put the holes in. I just push it in real hard. Push it in everywhere, and there you go. Just clean around it real quick. There you go. Wow. I actually have it on. Limited ended. So there you go. I actually have it on now. It's really clean. But the thing is, it does look nice in my car. But just the only thing I don't like about having it on is that these red claw marks kind of make it look like I have too much red on my car. It looks good though. Yeah, so that's the front. That's what it looks like. Pretty nice. Alright, anyways, that's all I have for this video. So, thank you.